difficult in the beginning. The first turn point at Mulbach, I saw Mario and Holger and Charlie Tango way up at the cloud base, and we were coming in low. And I thought, okay, just do what you can do. And the second turn and the third turn point, we were a few gliders together. And then on the third leg home, I stayed high. And at the last turn point, I climbed to final glide in the 3 meters. And then suddenly I see Mike 7 approaching on the flam. I said, oh, maybe it's not too bad after all. And then I was on final glide 100 meters above, and then just came home. That's right.
Okay.